Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to uninstall Zed on Windows. We can uninstall Zed via Windows settings or via the control panel. So first let us see how to uninstall Zed via Windows settings. To uninstall Zed via Windows settings, first go to Windows settings by pressing Windows I. This will open up the settings. Now click on Apps, Installed Apps. Just search for Zed. So the Zed application is listed. Now click on the three dots. Click on Uninstall, Uninstall. Click on Yes. So now the uninstallation has started. Wait for it to complete. So now the uninstallation is complete. Click on OK. And here you can see that Zed is removed. So this is how we can uninstall Zed via Windows settings. So now let us see how to uninstall Zed via the control panel. For this, press Windows R and type appwiz.cpl and press enter. So this will open up the programs and features of control panel. Here click on the Zed application and click on uninstall. Give yes. So the uninstallation has started. Wait for it to complete. So now you can see that the uninstallation is completed. Click on OK. Now the Zed application is removed from here. This is how you can uninstall Zed via the control panel. So I have showed you two ways to uninstall Zed on Windows. You can uninstall it either using Windows settings or via the control panel. You can use one of these two methods to do the uninstallation. Post the uninstallation, we need to do the cleanup. For this, press Windows R and type APPDATA within percentage and press enter. So this will open up the APPDATA roaming folder. Here you must see the Z folder. We need to delete this. So select the folder and press delete key. The Z folder is deleted now. Next press Windows R and type local APPDATA within percentage and press enter. So this will open up the APPDATA local folder. Here we need to delete the Z folder again. So select the folder and press delete key to delete it. Okay, now the Z folder is deleted. So this is how you need to do the cleanup post the uninstallation. Once we are done with the cleanup, we need to verify if the uninstallation was successful. For this, press Windows R and type CMD. Press enter. This will open up the command prompt. Here type Z. Press enter. So this should show you Zed is not recognized as internal or external command. So this confirms that Zed is uninstalled successfully. So these are the steps we need to follow to uninstall Zed on Windows. Do the cleanup post the uninstallation and do the verification once the uninstallation and cleanup is done. I have prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.